This demo highlights how HexaSync syncs order data from Shopify to Pancake POS. We have 4 dashboards on the screen. Firstly, you can see the Shopify store, where customers make the purchase process. The second tab is Shopify Admin, where the business owner manages the data from the online store. The third tab is Pancake POS, a popular sales and inventory management software. And the last tab is the interface of HexaSync. HexaSync is a middleware that helps to integrate data between systems. Now, let's create a new order in the Shopify store. From the Shopify store, choose a product you want to buy. Then click Buy It Now. Fill in the contact information to purchase the product, such as name, email, shipping method, and shipping address. Click Continue to Shipping. Continue to Paying. Fill in the credit card information. And click Pay Now. As you can see, the order has been created successfully. Remember, the order ID is 1521. To make sure the Shopify admin has received the information about the order created from the store, we will move to the Shopify admin. From the Shopify admin, click on Orders. You can see that order number 1521 has appeared on the dashboard. Now, move to the HexaSync dashboard and check the order. Here, we will know whether the order data was pushed from Shopify to Pancake. Click on the Sales Orders task of the Shopify and Pancake profile. Enter the order number to check the order. Click on Search. Once the destination ID is updated, we can ensure that the order is successfully pushed to Pancake. Remember the destination ID to confirm the order information in Pancake. Now, go to Pancake and verify the result. In the backend, click on Orders. As you can see, the order has been synchronized to Pancake. Click the ID to see more information about the order. You can see that the product name, total cost, and customer information are all the same as the information on the order that was created. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the following videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, give us a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Hexa, connecting applications, automating processes,